you gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. Today I've got a bit of a dilemma and I want your help with it. I have got some options and I've got some thoughts about which bags I should be taking with me to New York City. And so we're going to get into it. I keep saying it, I'm excited, but I feel utterly unprepared to go to New York. If you don't already know, then this trip to New York is to meet up with some of my fabulous fellow YouTuber friends who met up together in London in September. And one of those fabulous friends is the magnificent Meredith of the channel Living Luxe with Meredith. And Meredith has set herself quite the challenge to take only 4 bags with her to New York. I think she's going to be there the longest out of all of us. I think she's going to be there for a couple of weeks. So good luck with that, Meredith. I think you're going to need all the luck picking out which 4 you're going to take. I know you'll make great decisions. I don't think I'm going to be able to do that. I don't think I'm going to be able to restrict myself to 4 luxury handbags or 4 handbags to take to New York. I want versatility. I want options. I'm not going to include my Louis Vuitton Neverfull because I will most likely use that for travelling, but then I will most likely not use it at all again while we're out there. So I only started really thinking about handbags. It's popped in and out of my head because handbags are always popping in and out of my head. But I only really started thinking about which handbags I'm going to take when I decided to try on an outfit, a colour combination. And then when I was wearing it, I thought, I'm going to see what some bags look like with this as well. So that was the first time I really started thinking about it. So I've got a couple of bits of eye candy for you, but I also filmed me trying on those bags with that outfit. This is going to help me. This is going to help me process and understand what it is I'm looking for. We're going to New York. We're going to be there for over a week. It's going to be city living. There's no beach life. There's no beach totes needed. I want everything to be kind of versatile. It's a big city. Do I want to be drawing a lot of attention to myself? Carrying something really big and fancy and really kind of obviously, this is luxury, come and target me. And because it's not all shopping, it's not all shop, 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 we'll be sightseeing and stuff as well. I want bags that I'm going to be able to carry comfortably all day long, but would still be able to hold the things that I want to carry with me. Maybe a bottle of water. And you will notice that not every bag has the ability to fan with my lovely Fendi fan, thank you Valentina, but most of them will be able to one way or another. It's going to be hot in the city tonight. So I want to have my fan with me to get, oh, that was lovely. The first bag that I tried on with that outfit was Miss Peekaboo. Now I hadn't considered taking Miss Peekaboo at all because I thought she's quite heavy, she's structured, probably not the easiest bag to use to get in and out of with the fastening. Am I going to be able to keep it closed? Is it going to annoy me opening it to try and get in and what have you? There's no doubt she's a fabulous bag and she can be quite versatile. She's a top handle, but I can also use my Fendi guitar strap with her as well. I think this is going to be the hero piece of the holiday, if I'm honest. I think there's so much that this can go with, and that guitar strap makes it a comfier bag to carry crossbody. So I hadn't considered it at all. I just thought too big, she's going to be too big to carry in my hand luggage, she's too structured, she takes up a lot of space. But the lion thinks I should take her, he thinks it's a good idea. She does still scare me a little bit, but I'm getting better at using her. The next one I have actually got out to show you is... I didn't buy this bag for New York. I bought this bag for summer. This is the Gucci Lido in the raffia. She could go to New York. It was one of the considerations, and she will fan. I wanted something bright and colourful and sunny and just fun. This is a no-brainer. I think she has to go. I could wear just plain white shirt and jeans and pop this on, and it'll be it'll really bring something to a very, very simple outfit. It is a little bit kind of look at me, I'm Gucci with the Marmont double GG, but ease of use, that is, she's easy to get into and to close when she's empty. Now in the video I took, in the little mod shots I took of these bags, popped her on my shoulder and it fell off straight away. That will annoy me a little bit. So I would predominantly be using her crossbody, and I will be a bit nervous about the raffia on the back getting worn, but I kind of think I'm going to have to take the risk and just be careful with her, because I kind of think she has to come to New York. What do you think? Oh, she's still so pretty. My next option that I tried on is also a new bag. It is my Marc Jacobs small tote bag in the limoncello. Size-wise, crossbody strap, top handle. It would work for a day out sightseeing, carrying bottles of water, you know, this, that and the other, fan, sunnies, you name it, I'll be able to carry it. The only thing that concerns me about that one is it's leather and it's quite a big bag. Maybe go for the denim one because it's a lot more lightweight, although I don't like the crossbody strap that comes with the denim one. But again, I think I could wear my Fendi, maybe even buy a Marc Jacobs crossbody guitar strap while I'm in New York. My next option that I tried, and it may seem a bit of a crazy option, is the Louis Vuitton Papillon trunk. And it may seem crazy because it's round. It's not a standard shape or size. Yeah, it could be awkward. The S-lock it can be fiddly to get in and out of sometimes, but it's also a remarkably versatile bag. It does come with a big thick crossbody strap. It comes with a little chain handle. You could clutch it. She's a showstopper looks wise. She carries a surprising amount. Another American brand, Coach. And this is my Coach Kira Circle bag. The hubby calls it the banjo bag. And I just tried this on because the colours, it's the little green accents picking out the green in my linen trousers, little pops of hot pink on the Coach leatherware on the front, matching my top. And, you know, it's fun, it's a little bit different, it's Coach, so it's not so high-end as to draw too much attention. It's fun, it's summery. Is it suitable for city living, Donsley, New York City for a week? I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. Another Coach bag, and I got this one out to show you because I love it, is the Beat 18, and this is from the Basquiat collection. And I kind of feel like this one should come to New York because Basquiat, New York, kind of needs to go to New York, needs to go home, kind of thing. Maybe, I don't know. This is a remarkably practical bag as well. You've got a little slip pocket on the back so you can put your phone in there. It's got a removable top handle. It also comes with a crossbody strap, and in the dust bag back here is a chain strap as well, which I very rarely use on this bag. So this could be a good versatile option. It's a little bit heavy at the moment, but then all the straps and everything are in there as well. What are you doing? Oh, hello everybody. How are you? Hello. You've completely put me off my train of thought now.
That is my #1 job.
So I've completely lost my train of thought. Thank you very much for the line. But yeah, I think this could be a good one. Does Basquiat go home to New York? My next choice really isn't a choice. It's kind of a given for every holiday I've been on for the last sort of 12 years, 12, 13 years. And it is my Mulberry Gracie in the sparkly, goldy, glittery, I can't remember the name of the leather, the finish on the leather, but I think it's like a sparkle goat or something like that. But she's lightweight, she carries a ton. Although she's gold and a little bit sparkly, she's a little bit low key. The line looks great when he's wearing her for me as well, while I'm trying things on and just having a little rummage around. So I'm kind of 99.9% certain she'll be joining us for the trip. And this next one that I tried is my Prada Crystal, my Prada re-edition in the crystal. And I think looking at it again, I don't think I'm going to take her. She's fun, she's lightweight, she'll be easy to pack. She carries plenty of stuff. Versatility, not so great, because you can only carry her with the top handle. She's just about under the armpit moment. I think she's a bit too look at me. She's probably not going to make the cut. A cheeky little number coming in at number 9 on my luxury handbag choices to take to New York City, and that is my little Nano Baguette. Now, before you start laughing, actually, I'll wait for you to stop laughing. Because as soon as I said it, you'd have been like, oh, Gwenny, what are you thinking? That's not a bag. And you are right in that there's not a huge, amount of capacity in there, but she does have the little clip where I can pop her on my belt loop, so she's nice and secure there. She does have a tiny little crossbody strap, so maybe just for an evening moment, going down to the bar for drinks, perhaps. Don't need to carry much. Or I could pop her on the outside of another bag and increase some capacity there. So I kind of feel like I need to take a Nano Baguette with me. I need the Nano Baguette to rep in New York City. My last choice, and I've got two that I'm thinking of for this one, but my last choice is my Fendi mini baguette. I mean, for a start, just look at this colour. Look at this fuchsia colour, but also versatility. Again, she can hold the essentials. The fan, I mean, it can sit in there. It's going to stick out a little bit, so she can't fan. But what she can do is be worn in oh so many different ways. I've got the crossbody strap doubled up here at the moment because I used her as a shoulder bag recently. She's got the top handle. I can obviously make that crossbody, and yet again I can roll out the Fendi guitar strap. Hero piece. I'm telling you now, I'm going to forget to pack it now. I know that's what's going to happen. I've got three mini baguettes. I've got the black one and I've got the Zucca, the jacquard fabric as well. Now the Zucca print jacquard one has got a slightly larger capacity than the Napa leather ones, and it stands up on its own more, so when you put it down it's not as prone to falling over. So I'm thinking the pink for the versatility with the bag strap and the colour, but also maybe the Zucca print. I'll get it. She was sitting on my desk because I've been using it and it's got my stuff in at the moment. So these two, I put them down as one option, but I have got three to choose from, but I might take two, but I don't know. But I might be taking my Fendi silk trousers, and this would look fantastic with my Fendi silk trousers. Although I don't think this strap would go quite so well with the Zucca print. The colours are wrong. It's a bit too much of the old Fendi, whereas on the Napa, because it's debossed, it's a little bit more subtle, the print. Whereas Zucca, it's just a little bit more in your face. So there's one bag that I have considered taking, but I didn't try on at the time, because at the time I thought, no, I'm not going to take that. But it's a possibility, and that is my Louis Vuitton vintage Baggy PM. I've got my little precious tiger bag charm on at the moment from the last time I used it. Capacity wise, this is great. I have got a bag organiser in here at the moment. I stole it from my Saint Laurent puffer. But the reason I discounted this one straight away is because it's just shoulder bag. It is a little bit, look at me with the LV print on it, and I don't want it to get damaged in any way while I'm out and about running around the city. So I discounted it, but then I thought I could take it. I don't know, what do you think? Because it's in really good condition. I don't want it to get damaged or anything, but I also want to use it. So I'm not sure I'm going to be able to meet Meredith's 4-bag New York City challenge, but I don't want to take everything I've got. I couldn't take everything I've got, but I don't want to take too much. So what do you make of my choices? Which ones do you think should stay at home, and which ones do you think should be popped into my hand carry and taken with me to New York City? And if there's anything that you remember out of my collection that I haven't mentioned in this video, and you think, but why aren't you taking that, then drop that down in the comments section as well. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will definitely do a video when we're back from New York covering which bags I took, which ones worked, which ones didn't work, which ones I should have taken instead, and which ones might not have got used at all while we were there. So stay tuned for that one, and until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye.